Ní a bhair le hOllscoil Luimnigh dí seo chun Mhic Shigiúir a bhuachant, as bhí gách le canis le ceir bliain os cailteá. Léir go sanna going an tarna ferns ra thuúlas a chmórtas, Collage na hOllscoile Corcaigh, siar a FF3. I tart aiger a chéile ríist, an aireochtlas an bhharna Luimnigh stair a bhaintach. Bhí macht darmat donnacha agus common gagans a bark an crocaigh don ceann seo.
Just watch Tommy Walsh. Rashka, Michael Stach. Cathal Ryan Reist. Cathal got thrashed up Rashka, Cian Michael, and the Kittog, Ebola. Ní féidir nó seo coming in here as a Cormú.
Cathal Ollscoil Corcaigh teacht amach agus teangaháil dhéanamh ar an imróir agus Beidir an ahrú seileadh sin a buachant.
Stach. Fáte ag Irwin, cehúil sí sin Frank Irwin, tá sí deas. Tugan í nord, tóca Harbor, ag Cunningham. Nis tras a spot seo, Chantar Gúlbeidir, tá a diviiste, agus stoppi go Gúlbáire.
Dug nach gacra di ceart ísio le cord mulla dul don Gúlbáire, a sé an fód agus glanne sé an lír díntach.
An bheicman dúnis seo Kieran Collins. Collins a Galo, pass just a shot to Chantar Colwell. Sáhad ag a Gúlbáire. Well, Howell, no, kicks here back. Well, thought the Coolbury cost the Dusraj Coolbury one, agus two in the Dusraj and Coolbury, and Connie Howell.
Yeah, Clister mar pass on Shaw, Irwin, Nigeria, Corcaigh, low score on Coolbury.
Agus blian is ficho hen agus beidir bin a fog which is tischkini sin can bolta a which is sin our trust on tog the bolta go hauling for the Michael McSweeney. Just Cork Chacht Cosciutias Ilin here. Cold scoralta agus on cold scoralta a Kieran Santry Chapwood Canair Nakra in Hunter just a Lirich and Honey Trasna.
Agus Norris Sweeney tuair na seansa na maithacrá siad is botún é seo Chalan an cosan toré agus tíh hirdó an sin ibre cúig déag Kieran Santry ag sleanú seach sa líon tá na chur a láb leis chun é chur isteach sa líon.
Nis, kicks here back, Corcaigh. Nachra a riamh chun tosa seo Luimnigh chun tosa chud is mógan am. Seach sa go deiretin ar bhí siad corham. She'll Corham, Callful in the team, so hint, Luimnigh and Keane, shot, this chesh, either Harridge Corham reached, the catch a kick culture, which I saw the Tosha saw the McSweeney to reach on. You hear Farrell, Tom Cunningham. The 40-yard Parkinish, Michael McSweeney. McSweeney got sheer. It's coming to Dawson, or Malishka Rory Murphy, Thon. Tá Oscar John Chantar Cole agus reached an Coolbáire a seaas mar na bhuiile kicks Iristeach. Tríú sá what atá genta a Tristan O'Callaghan. Nis spás aige ar chuir stop leis tá nimmer til lenacht. Céile pass closteach seo seanta dis Irwin casta Ballagháin stop Iristeach Coolbáire. Tá vers Coolbáire a Jenna Harbor.
Sin ar ós an Coolbáire agus cosantóra teach siar freisin.
Tá ráig ar dhéiste ráig hit Chantar Clay go dtí Cian Michael Reis Cosciutias Cian le hélo tuairt faoi leis a Gitto Crane well an dar score fáte an deas Cian Michael rá score alling. Shaking scoirta aige inis ar fad. Chantar go Dahi Hogan a Garisteach nis chun ilin is fear glód ó hen. Hidmet tá sé fósig Dahi agus an tuairt faoi Dahi Hogan agus Dahi Hogan ar a trastáin agus Beidir go binn score a dheagnós go mé Mhic Shigiúir dul don géadú riamh go Luimnigh. sé na leagón den Shilman Thompson chomach nach tá Chelvaresh a Corcaigh which is an uncool all tá pass seo shot chance. Ní bhí sin cool mar sin don cos nóirí siar sábhail a ríist ag Tristan. Arish and Tristan kick Carach Coig. Tá Shaska Coig Katsa, Tashak Sean Morahan, Slowin Che. Augustan and Gernach Shaita. Augustan Star, Bantamachik, Ollscoil Luimnigh, Don Gado Riv, Mhic Shigiúir, Buaicphointí.
We're after winning 6 out of 6 in the league and now 5 out of 5 in the Sigurson. That's really special, and look, they're just a special bunch, and it's just huge for UL.
We have a few lads from my Fresher team in first year. We lost a Fresher semi-final, and it's class to come back 4 years later with a bunch of new lads and like your best mates with them in college, and it's unreal. I love it.
Come from a club we haven't won that much The club has been so good to me down through the years, and I know they're there watching now, and this is for them as much as it is for me and my family.